Good day. This video clip is intended for the discussion of basic GIS analysis, focusing on hazard profiling. To analyze the hazards and the general exposure of a place, base maps, whether it be municipality base map or barangay base map, and hazard maps like rain-induced landslide, earthquake-induced landslide, floodings, etc., are overlaid in GIS. Usually, guide questions will help determine the specific process that will be needed to perform in GIS. It is very important that the problem must be understood very well first. In this discussion, we will have various questions that will aid us. First, what municipalities are prone to landslide or any other hazard? Next, compute the area and percent area of each municipality prone to hazard. And lastly, to determine how many people or population are exposed to hazard. Next is the understanding the data used in analysis. It is very important that you will be able to understand well the problem by means of reviewing it. By means of reviewing it, you would be able to understand the information. So first, we could have the location of where the hazards are located. These are in the forms of maps, whether it be a thematic or vector, with attributes like landslide susceptibility that describes the intensity of the hazard. Now, what you could get this data from NumRia as well. So let's open a browser. Let's type NumRia. Download. Then we have hazard maps. Okay, so you can download different hazard maps here. For example, let's have Surigao del Norte, focusing on rain-induced landslide, number 7. Surigao del Norte. So this is the base map that contains the rain-induced landslide hazard map of Surigao del Norte. It is the same file that I used before. Okay. So this one contains the susceptibility to landslide. We have the red in high susceptibility, violet, moderate susceptibility, yellow, low susceptibility, white, not susceptible, and hashed, possible areas prone to landslide accumulation. Okay? Next information is the location of the municipality or barangay. These are the municipality or barangay base map, which was already downloaded previously using the GADM Philippines. Next, we have the area. This can be computed from the geometry to municipal base map. This is like what we did in the calculation of the area and perimeter by means of adding the geometry table. Next is the population density. This can be computed using our formula. Population density is equal to population divided by the area. Next, it will also help in the analysis if you could be able to figure out the derived data or the result after processing. The problem, it is expected that the following information could be derived. First, location of the prone areas. This can be located if we could overlay the hazard to the municipal boundaries. Second, areas affected. This could be computed from the intersected areas geometry. So for this section, we will be doing 2 items. We have the hazard characterization using intersection and using attribute query or query builder. Next is we'll be having the property risk estimation, where we will be using clipping lines with polygon. Then point to point to polygon overlay using spatial query for this section. So this would be just the introduction of the two items. 2 videos will be allocated to discuss the hazard characterization and property risk estimation. Thank you.